Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your phone number on your Viber account. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by going to our settings. We're going to click this icon here. That's going to take us to our settings. Next, we're going to select the first option that we have that says account. So we're going to continue clicking on that. And here from the 5 options we have, we're going to click the 4th one, change phone number. So here you should read this if you're doing this for the first time. And we're going to continue. Now you're going to select a new phone number. If you're keeping the same device, you just want to change your number, you're going to click on new phone number. And here, so you have a pop-up. All Viber users that have your number saved in their address book will receive a notification that your number has changed. So we're going to click on continue. This is just giving you notice. So your current number, you don't have to input that. It's already there. You just have to input your new phone number. For example, 123 456 78. And then you're going to click on continue. Is this your number? We're going to go ahead and click on yes. So now if that really is your number, you're going to receive a text message from Viber that you have to enter the code. You're going to receive the code via text message. You're going to enter it and your number will be changed. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!